Did you know that every time you flush your toilet, you're flushing up to 5 gallons of clean drinking water? We have a problem. And it's a wicked one. Toilets! Toilets! Specifically, flushing ones. Did you know that 1 in 3 people globally do not have access to safe drinking water? And 4.2 billion people do not have safely managed sanitation services. And 3 billion people have lack of basic hand washing facilities. Meanwhile, we're flushing 5 gallons of clean drinking water down the toilet. Did you know globally 80% of wastewater flows back into the ecosystem without being treated or reused? And around 1.8 billion people use a source of drinking water contaminated with feces, putting them at risk of contracting several diseases, some even deadly. It is time that we stand up and move into the future and move into a way that's more sustainable to dispose of our human waste. Flush toilets were invented back in 1596, and they were a good short-term solution for a long-term problem. The toilet that sits in your home today is what I like to call a waste circle. Now that the demand for clean drinking water has increased, we must get rid of these waste circles and move to a more sustainable future. These toilets are waste circles simply because the water that sits in that toilet bowl took so much energy and so much power to be cleaned, and then we just dispose of it so quickly. Did you know that wastewater treatment plants use 3% of the national electricity load? There has to be a more sustainable way to dispose of human waste cleanly and more effectively. And that way is simply composting toilets. Did you know that urine is almost sterile, but it still gets flushed 6 to 10 times a day, wasting up to 9 gallons of clean drinking water? So if you're asking yourself how you can be more sustainable at home, always think of this phrase when you use the toilet. If it's yellow, let it mellow, and if it's brown, flush it down.
Compost! And cocktails! Sustainability